What is the most peaceful country on earth? Well, it's not Britain and it's certainly not the USA. Here is a list of the 10 most peaceful places to live on earth if you want to escape world conflict. Number 10. Switzerland. Switzerland's long history of neutrality and its tucked away locations among the valleys of the Alps still make it a safe, but even despite of having a high number of bordering nations, he tells that neighboring Austria is also considered a neutral nation. Number 9. Costa Rica. Costa Rica has a stable democracy, a disbanded military and a national policy of neutrality. It also ranks highly on the Global Peace Index, Happy Planet Index and Life Satisfaction Index. Although it sits in the middle of a tumultuous region, there are far worse places to sit in a peace as the world goes down in flames all around. Number 8. Papua New Guinea. There are regions of Papua New Guinea that are still being discovered for the first time. The canopy-covered, mountainous nation contains some of the most isolated places in the world. Tuck yourself away in a nuke here and it may be one of the few places left where you can completely insulate yourself from the outside world. Number 7. Canada. Canada is the second largest nation in the world, yet it only shares a land border with one other country, the USA, and it is a peaceful border. That means there is a great expanse to escape to if need be. Furthermore, Canada has few world enemies, ranks consistently high on the Global Peace Index and it is relatively homogeneous. Number 6. Seychelles. Aside from being safely isolated from the rest of the world in the middle of the Indian Ocean, this beautiful island nation is a great place to forget about your worries. Isolation is the key here and conflict is as transparent as the water. Number 5. Finland. Finland has a long history of desiring to stay out of international conflicts, is recognized as neutral and always ranks in the top 10 of the Global Peace Index. Its northerly location also typically means remote areas of this country are a perfect place to disappear. Number 4. Tuvalu. Isolated in the middle of the Micronesia, Tuvalu is among the safest and most remote places in the world. It is the third least populated country on earth and the fourth smallest. There are only a few places more distant from the world's strife than Tuvalu. Number 3. Iceland. Iceland, of course, has no borders, as remote locations, is as stable as a country and has virtually no world enemies. Its people are happy and the nation always ranks highly on the Global Peace Index. If world conflicts erupt, Iceland is one of the few stable nations in the world unlikely to get caught up in the middle. Number 2. Bhutan. Landlocked among the Himalaya mountains, Bhutan is one of the most isolated nations in the world. It also shows one of the most stable balances in the world between modernization and retention of the ancient culture. Its religious population believes in peaceful resolution to all conflict, and although it sits in a troubled region, it remains protected by its geography. Number 1. New Zealand. New Zealand might be the most isolated and expensive fully developed nation in the world. It shares no borders, sits relatively distant from any other nation, has no real national enemies, has a safe democracy and a diverse landscape with many remote places to hide away within. Furthermore, it ranked number 1 on the Global Peace Index. So these are the top 10 most peaceful places to live on earth. Let us know in the comment section which place you want to go and live there. Thanks for watching the video. If you really like this, let me know by clicking the like button. Do share, write a comment and don't forget to subscribe my channel so that you can catch up my next video. Thank you.